Sugarloaf Mountain. Rising majestically above Rio de Janeiro, Sugarloaf Mountain captivates with its iconic silhouette and breathtaking views. This natural marvel, embraced by lush greenery and shimmering waters, offers a stunning panorama of the vibrant city, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Ipanema. Ipanema, a vibrant gem of Rio de Janeiro, enchants with its golden beaches and breathtaking mountains. Famed for its lively atmosphere, stunning sunsets, and rich cultural tapestry, it invites visitors to delve into a world where natural beauty and urban elegance intertwine seamlessly.